The new Dodge wanted to take the sport utility concept to a higher level. Enter Durango. Its best-in-class power, cargo space, and seating for up to 8 raise the bar considerably, as do its strongest-in-class frame and its stable, longer, wider stance. Dodge Durango, a higher form of sport utility, from top to bottom. Durango, new ground for the new Dodge.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another movie. You remember the Durango from before? You remember from before? Today I'm gonna see if it's gonna start. Just because today's a good day to do that. I haven't started this in I think 3 years now. So battery's dead, I know. I got my battery charger booster all ready to get hooked up. And I'm gonna check to see if any rodents or anything's been around in the engine or maybe inside, I don't know, but let's find out. So I know when I unlock it and hook the battery charger up, the alarm is gonna go off because that's what that does. So let's see what happens. I forgot how to unlock it. Ah, there we go. Look for rodents that crawl out and undo the hood. Do you know that old-fashioned car smell from old cars? That's what it smells like. Love that kind. I gotta get a screwdriver. I gotta check inside the air filter, you know. Any place where the little mice want to go, that's where I gotta check. You know, you just don't want to start it up and suck all that stuff in. That would be no good. We good there. We good. Nothing in the air filter. no signs of rodents. That's good. Let's get the shit out of me, man. I told you that was that. It does that.
It does that.
Yeah.
Would you break in?
No. It does that. Batteries. Yeah, battery's fucking dead.
Okay, so
Put the thing on. Comes alive.
makes sense.
Yeah, the fucking key fob don't work because the battery's dead. Okay. Tires. That one needs air too.
Probably all of them have.
They're gonna let this sit up for a couple minutes.
Oh yeah, you gotta wait them all.
Oh,
Hey, I'll go flat. Oh, I'm sorry, are you recording?
yeah. Gonna let this charge up for a couple minutes and then we'll see what happens. Okay? So we'll see you then when we go. And I'm not gonna cheat and do anything.
Sorry for the interruption, folks.
Okay, and we're gonna try to start it up now. It's been a couple minutes. So we'll see what happens. See what happens. Not charged up enough. We'll wait some more. Pause. Okay, it's been charging for a while now, quite a while, so we'll try it again, okay? If not, we're just gonna call it a fail. Huh? Talking to my people. Okay, so that's a fail. I'm gonna put the trickle charger on it because the battery is smoking and hot, so we'll try it again later. Okay, this is the next weekend, so we're gonna try it again. But I don't think it's gonna start because the dome lights don't even come on, so we'll see. Nope. We'll try a little later. Okay, so it's been charging almost all day, so we'll try it again. If not, I'm gonna have to get a new battery for it. Okay, I guess I'll just have to get another battery for it. So I'm gonna end this one. Thanks for watching the movie. So I don't know when I'm gonna get a battery for it. So anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Okay, I bought a battery for the Winnie because it needs one. But before I put it in the Winnie, I thought I'd hook it up to the Beast. And now we'll see if it'll start. I know it should start. I don't know why it's not. Okay, finally I got it cranked over with some other battery cables. still alive. I'm going to let it run for a while because it hasn't been run for a long time, so we're going to get the juices flowing. And I may be back, I may not. So if I don't come back, thanks for watching this video, this movie. And we'll see you on the next one. Doesn't that just sound badass?